So you are listening to the Music and Culture Podcast with me, Mandla Gingirkani. If you're new to the channel, please do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever makes sense for you. Just do it. Yes, so the Jamming to Soccer social games were abandoned yesterday after teams couldn't find a solution to a problem that arose. Dumim Kokstad launched a complaint that his gospel team was robbed by Dom, which is led by DJ Tira. After they couldn't find a solution, the organizers decided to abandon the match. But before we can find people to blame, let's check what was happening, where was it happening, why was it happening. Let's grab some popcorn for this one. So just to put things into context, as you all know that during the preseason, there's tournaments that are taking place across the country. So the Jamming to Soccer football tournament is one of those tournaments that are taking place across the country. But this one is a little different because it is composed of artists and musicians, and it's based on what kind of music genre you sing. And this year, this tournament was hosted at the Tsakani Stadium.
William, nice one.
As you can see, it's a beautiful day. Everybody looking forward to the games. It's a full house. It's a jam-packed house. Entertainment galore. It's all festivities, guys. But it was a beautiful day, guys. As you can see, Javuma Hlangu was also caught on the sidelines of the games.
It's an outing feature. Moko Tsakani, good support, and setup is job. Thanks to SABC for broadcasting the game. It is that interest, yeah.
DJ Tira was also in high spirits, in a great mood, looking forward to the games.
And the providing entertainment is not only about that stage, but entertainment.
As the finals were about to kick off, Dumim Kokstad pulled a stunt. He complained that this team was robbed.
So we are here, champions to come and play. Now when we got here, because Tina as a gospel, there's no bad eligible to play based on our rules. Tournament in our rules. So one of the rules is the fact that because we're trying to accommodate abantu besifazane. They decided not to follow that rule. One. Number two, Utira says he claims ukuthi uzamele ukufaka intombazane egenini. I-rule ithi intombazane kumele ingene for a minimum of 10 minutes. Minimum, the minimum isincane kumele intombazane idlale for 10 minutes. Bafaka intombazane last 4 minutes. Mind you, they were already leading low games, which puts gospel at a disadvantage. Secondly, Utira ulethe ama-professional players out-level. None of them, i-rule ithi ama-players must be ama-artists. Kumele kube ukuthi bayacula banama-album. Utira ulethe abafana abawu-11
So yonke into imile nje ime ngawe.
abantu abawu-11 we-soccer players ebengamele badlale. Utira bafakile.
And he was not budging, hey?
Utira ulethe abafana abawu-11 abadlala ibhola imawo angikuphazamisanga
So yonke into imile nje
imawo abantu abawu-11 or soccer players should be playing.
Right, guys, I want to know, okay, Zulu.
Big Zulu also had a lot to say.
Zulu, relax. Now we have taken
But DJ Tira blamed everything on Dumim Kokstad.
That's it. That's it. Unfortunately, we're going to be.
Abantu babonile ukuthi siwinile. Abantu babonile ukuthi siwinile but uDumi uyena nje ufasa ikhanda uthi yena abahlulwanga.
You're a leader in the community. You're a leader not only in music but in society. So as a leader, siyabani sengibuzela uTira neqembu lakhe leGqom because wena drive ushulu wena ukuthi sihamba kanje.
Yabo last year uDumi wafika wenza izinto zakhe. Kwaba khona izinto esicomplaina ngazo. But samiyeka wayiwina icup wahamba. Namhlanje sekuyine thina. Sekhona izinto acomplaina ngazo. Sekufuneka kuma yonke into. Is that fair?
Siyaphuma ezihip hop abaqhubeke badlale. Eyikolweni ukudlala abaqhubeke badlale ezihip hop siyaphuma.
Mayiphuma hip hop siwine nathi. Nasifuna ukudlala nabantu abawinile. Nabantu abawinile. And hip hop makuthi iyaphuma nathi sifine.
Okay, so what do you guys think? You've seen all the footage, you've heard everybody say whatever they said. What do you guys think? Who is wrong, who is right? Dumi is right to protest because we're talking about today. Those guys protested last year. He's protesting this year. So I side with Dumi with regard to everything because the rules were not followed in the tournament. So Dumi Kokstad for me. Because if a tournament has rules and the rules are not followed, you know, so I will side with Dumi Kokstad on this one to say the rules were not followed, therefore the tournament is null and void. Can you imagine how much was spent on this tournament? I mean, you look at the sponsors, you look at the broadcaster, which is the SABC, how much resources was put to these things for it to end this way. So after the tournament was cancelled or abandoned, Hip Hop and Gqom decided to play a friendly game, which Hip Hop won. That's why they're celebrating now. Unfortunately, they don't have a trophy. It's the first time I see a team celebrating a championship win without a trophy. Such a disappointment, hey. But guys, that's all I had for you for now. See you in the next upload. Salute,
Touch.
What's good?
Ah, man, that's cool.